Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys remember, I got these headlights right here from the junkyard. This one is pretty bad. I've been seeing videos where people are using 400 and 600 grit sandpaper. Headlights are pretty rough. You can see where like the clear coat that somebody put on there burned and cracked and faded and all that stuff. We're going to try to get that out. So we're going to use 400 grit and then 600 grit and just bump my way up to 1500 and see if that works. Here's what the headlight is looking like. As you guys can tell, I only did 1/2 of it. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. I'll show you guys, it's so pasty and it's scratching up my truck real bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff this side. Now this is the polisher that I have. I bought it off of Amazon for around 60 bucks. And I just have a normal foam pad on it. The wool pads might be better in this application, but I don't have those right now. I mean, I have one for a drill, but it's for a drill and it doesn't spin fast enough. Now we got this Meguiar's Ultimate Compound Color and Clarity Restorer. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. And yeah, this is what we're going to use to try to polish this headlight out. All right, so just a little bit on the side there. Let's go ahead and dab it on just like this. Put you guys on the wide angle real quick so everything can be seen. All right, it's going to be kind of difficult because I got to hold it and use the polisher at the same time. Got to turn down to 1,000 RPM, lock it on. Go ahead and wipe it off. Wow, look at that shine. So you guys can see the before and after. This came out really, really good. So now I can sell them, make a few extra bucks. Not too bad. So they were really, really pitted. And as you could tell from right here, let me just get a little zoom in on it. As you can tell from right here, all the cracks and how faded it is. Oh, yeah, it's so bad. There was a clear coat that was sprayed on it. It looks like either that or the coating from factory was sprayed on. And now you got this clarity.